Hey, welcome. Come on in. Welcome to my new house in Merida, Mexico. Here we have this really nice truck. It's not mine. And here, this is the dining area. Obviously, we eat our food here. This is a refrigerator. We keep our food here. And this is a cabinet. We also keep our food here. Now, over here is where we do all of our business. Now you can follow me into the bedroom. So obviously, we sleep on the bed. We have this really nice window over here with a garden view. And if you look over this side, this is where we keep our clothing, camera equipment. And if you come here, random stuff really. Now I bet you're wondering, where's the kitchen? Where do I make my food? Now if you follow me outside, I'll show you. So this is my outdoor kitchen. Pretty nice, right? And you guys caught me at a good time because I'm about to make breakfast. So I'm not done showing you the place just yet. Here, I got the whole yard for you. So if you come right over here, we actually have this whole entire garden area to ourselves. So we have plenty of trees, plants. I even caught lizards in here and a hummingbird. Now if you go take it over this way, it gets even better. Here, we have a swimming pool. And above the swimming pool, we actually have a nice little fruit tree. I can't really tell you what fruit they are. I'll put it down in the description below. But yeah, I think it's actually time to go for a nice swim. So I bet you guys are wondering just how much I'm paying. For this space, I'm paying a total of $218 US a month. Now the space does seem a little small, but just for me, Kiara, and our little cat, which is always hiding, it works just perfect. And back in Pennsylvania, where I'm from, for a small studio-sized apartment, costs 4 times the price, and it does not come with anything. So I think we are getting a pretty good deal. So I am in the Chenku area of Merida, which is about 30 to 20 minutes north from Central. And I'm gonna show you where we get our food shopping done nearby and get all of our goods at.
So the first stop we're gonna make today is the Tortilla Shop, a torteria.
So we just came from the Tortilla.
Tortilleria.
Okay, and we got half a kilo of tortillas, and that came out to about 10 pesos. You just see that stack. It's a lot of tortillas in this, and yeah, my hands are burning. It's under 50 cents for all these tortillas. So we're gonna go to find another supermarket to get some more food. So the supermarket we're going to is called Super Aki. It's about a 15-minute walk from my house, and it's not that bad. So that was Super Aki. It is the only supermarket I know of. I know there's like other butcheries and stuff nearby, but they're all closed pretty early and I'm never there on time. So there is a Walmart nearby. It's a bus ride away or about a 40-minute walk from me. So this is best just for quick shopping for me. A few more stops to make. As a fruit shop is where we're going next. So we just passed down a bakery and we couldn't help ourselves. We had to just stop in, and for all of those baked treats, we spent like 67 pesos. 60 pesos on everything we just got. So I can't wait. I'm getting really hungry, so we still have the fruit market. Yeah, the people there are super nice.
They were giving us some information about some of the nearby towns and activities that we can do.
So that was Pancho's tamales. We just ordered 3 different tamales. It's my first time trying this spot. Each tamale was around 15 pesos, so I think that's a really good deal. That's what, 85 cents American? Crazy. So I'm gonna go home and unload all these groceries.
Okay, so this is our haul that we got today from all of our stops. This section here is everything we got from Super Aki. We got a couple of essential groceries glasses for the week. This section here was about 112 pesos, so that was a pretty good stop there. We went to the tamale stop, Pancho's, and we got 3 different tamales and salsas for 42 pesos. We got some tortillas, half a kilo straight fresh from the mill. That was a little less than 10 pesos for the half kilo. We went to the banderia. That was about 62 pesos for all these treats. And then our stop at the fruit market where we got all those fresh fruits and the advice from the guy for about 40 pesos. And altogether we ended up spending about 265 pesos, which translates to just under $13. So I think we did pretty good for our first haul here in Merida.
So I just wanted to add one more thing to this video, and that's OXXO. So basically OXXO is your 24-hour convenience store, and you can find them any corner of Merida. So they're basically similar to like a 7-Eleven in the United States. And so you can find anything there from chips, snacks, ice cream, soft drinks, and beer, all for a great price. So that basically sums up the tour of my neighborhood in Merida. Merida is a very big and diverse place. It's extremely safe. It's actually known as the safest place in North America, or one of the safest cities in North America. So even more of a reason to move out here. You can find plenty of properties at the same price point as mine. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, tell me what you think, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys.